Hi, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you a very simple recipe for chicken and veg in the air fryer. And this chicken and vegetable recipe is going to be seasoned with leftover taco seasoning, and it's just perfect for adding into your wraps for your next Taco Tuesday. So let's get started, shall we? So for the ingredients, married to a chef, amazing. I've got some prep vegetables that the hubby's already prepped for me. So we've got a mixture here that was in our fridge, courgette, red and green peppers and some red onion. And then we've also got here some diced chicken that is prepped, taco seasoning, garlic flavoured olive oil, salt and pepper. Really simple and so easy. And even better because we're using these foil trays, and the benefit of these foil trays is that they make cleanup in the air fryer even easier. And we also feature them in our new cookbook, Air Fry Easy Every Day. So basically you've got your veg in one, chicken in the other. So let's combine them all together, shall we? And I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe from touching the chicken. And then salt, lots and lots of salt, pepper, garlic, olive oil. Just really makes the difference to it. And you can also get flavoured olive oil. I mean, a lot of the time I use plain extra virgin olive oil, but I love the garlic infused one. And then there's some other ones you can get, like the chili one is really nice as well. And then I've got some taco seasoning here. As spicy or unspicy as you like, it's totally about personal choice. I just had some spare that needed using up. And then give it a good mix. And then I love this for a mixture of just chicken and veg, a simple seasoning mix, some olive oil, and it's just amazing. Have I dropped any there? Just a little bit. And you can mix and match with your veg. Just note that these are quick cooking vegetables, so it can reflect on the time and temperature if you change it. So we don't need that anymore. So let me give you a closer look here. Oh, and wow, doesn't this look fantastic? I'm really impressed with this. And this is now ready to go on in the air fryer. I'm just gonna give my hands a quick wipe and then we can get it on. A quick dry of the hands. And our taco chicken and veg will be ready before we know it. So, open up your air fryer basket. I find that these foil trays only just fit my Philips air fryer, and they're 7-inch square, whilst with my Kasori they're a really good snug fit. So it's just about moving them to your size of air fryer, and let's get them on. So 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of 15 minutes, and then we can come and check on them and see how they're doing. So 15 minutes, start, and we'll be back soon. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. So let's check on our chicken, shall we? And wow, look at that, chicken and veg in the air fryer. Doesn't it look fab? And I'm just giving it a mix round, and then I'm going to put it on for a little bit longer because some of the courgette is a bit under. But it's nice to give it a good mix round, and then you can see how far off it is. And I'm just loving the colours of those peppers. They just look fantastic. So back on it goes. 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and another 5 minutes. And then press start. And we've beeped. So let's check on it, shall we? And this is what the chicken and veggies look like. I mean, wow, look at that. That chicken looked fantastic. And then of course you've got your lovely veg in there as well. The courgette's looking lovely now. And you've just got a fantastic all-in-one meal there in the air fryer. So it's just perfect for avoiding the washing up and everything coming together at the same place. Because how often do you see these videos showing how to make things in the air fryer and you're thinking, how long did it take them to clean the air fryer because of how much mess had been in the bottom? So this is just a brilliant example. And of course, if you've got one and you've had to measure it to fit like we have, where we've had to squeeze it in, just pull a few sides up like that, out it goes. We've got a clean air fryer for next time, and look at that, doesn't that look fantastic? And if you've never done this before, then chicken and veg in the air fryer, absolutely amazing. Doesn't take long to cook at all, and just a great example of the easy everyday recipes you can cook at home in your air fryer. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.